practice sheet for you to practice writing the letter T, lowercase t. The sound is T. Yes. So you can make this practice sheet whenever you are writing this letter. Yes, whenever you are practicing how to write this letter, you make this sheet. So the sheet makes you practice the letter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Yes, so you should not be practicing the letter more than 6 to 8 times. Yes, but you have to do it daily. Okay, so it's not a one-day homework that I give it to you today. You send me the sheet tomorrow and it's done. No, you practice writing this letter throughout the week. Okay, till you get the letter perfectly. Okay, so let's start doing the sheet now. So I request the parents to make a similar worksheet in your child's literacy notebook. And then you can make a similar sheet even in their homework book. Yes, practice book in which they practice writing at home. Yes, you can make a few sheets like this so they can practice writing this letter daily in that book. Okay, so let's trace it here. So with the finger, there's a riser going upwards. So you take a slight turn and then go straight up. Come back on the same line, take a turn and then cut it with a sleeping line. Okay, now let's start tracing it. Over the dotted dots, go straight up, come back on the same line, come down, touch the line and take a turn and then cut it with the sleeping line. Yes, again there's one more dotted pattern. Now I know tracing over the dots is much easier, but that does not mean that you have all the boxes just with tracing dots. Yeah, otherwise you will not learn how to write. So just 2 boxes with tracing dots. Yes, and the next 2 is I've just given you the initial dots so that you can start joining them. Okay, so you start from here and slight turn and then now go up, straight up, join this dot. Now come back, come down, come straight down, take a turn, that's it. And from here I'm going to make a sleeping line. Again, this is again just the beginning dots. So we take a slight turn and now go straight up. Come straight down. Touch the line below. Take a slight turn, which here. Now from here, I'm going to cut it with a sleeping line. Yes. Now the last 2 boxes. Now that you know how to form the letter, try doing it yourself. It's okay if you don't get it perfectly right. Yes, so take a slight turn and we go straight up. That's the riser. Stop. Slowly come back on the same line. Straight down. Touch the line and take a turn. Yes, and cut it with a sleeping line here. Let's do it one last time. Take a slight curve and now go straight up. Come back on the same line, straight down, touch the line, take a slight turn, that's it. And now cut it with the sleeping line. So this is the way you're going to complete your worksheet. Yes, and now there is this nice box over here. Yes, wherein you have to draw an object, just one object that begins with the sound T. Okay, children? So I want all of you to complete the sheet and submit it by tomorrow. And that's not over. Keep practicing writing this letter throughout the week at home. Happy learning. Bye.